How to duplicate a Shopify store quickly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you a quick way to duplicate your Shopify store. First thing what you can do is simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Shopify login, and once you click on this link, just click on first link and make sure you sign in or log in with your account, and you'll be heading over to this page. So this is your home page, and from over here what you can do is just click on this add apps on the left section and scroll all the way down until you see this Shopify app store. So simply click on it, and from over here what I want you to do is just search the word duplify by correctly spelling it, and just click on this install button over here, which will let you install this duplicate your store, which is a duplify. So once you're inside here, just click on install once again, and it will install this application, and you will need to follow the on-screen instruction to set up this duplify process. So once you're on this screen, you can connect your stores by simply following the on-screen instruction. So as you can see, once you click on this export data, your data option from over here, you just have to click your destination store key over here. I don't have any destination store key, I will just keep on random, and you have to give your store name over here, and you have to click your notification email over here where you'll need to receive your notification email. And just like that, you'll have to choose the export options and choose your plan, and by following all of the on-screen instruction, simply click on next to successfully duplicate your Shopify store. So that is exactly how you can easily duplicate your store on Shopify. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.